Assalamu alaikum 5 class, how are you? Welcome to English class. Today we will learn about active voice and passive voice. So let's learn the definition first. Active voice means the subject performs the action and passive voice means the subject receives the action. There are some rules like to make passive voice we have to change the subject of active voice into object and object into subject, and we have to use third form in all tenses and add by to make the passive voice. To make passive voice we also have to do some changes in tenses, like when there is first form of verb in active sentence, then we use ismr plus third form of verb in passive sentence, and when there is second form of verb in active sentence, then we will use was were plus third form of verb in passive sentence, and when there is will plus first form of verb, then we will use will be plus third form of verb in passive sentence. Now let's understand the structure of active and passive voice. Active voice has the very simple structure like subject plus verb plus object, and the structure of passive voice is object plus to be verb plus third form plus by the subject. And for to be form, in present we use ismr, and in past we will use was were, and in future we will use will be. Now here are some examples like the dog chases the cat, and the passive is the cat is chased by the dog. The subject, the dog, is doing the chasing in active sentence, and in passive sentence the subject, the cat, is receiving the action of being chased. And here is another example, the dog chased the cat. There is second form, and in passive voice we will use was plus third form like the cat was chased by the dog. And for future, the dog will chase the cat. Here is will plus first form, and for future passive we will use the cat will be chased by the dog. We also have to do some changes in subject if the subject is pronoun, like I will change into me, you will remain the same, she will change into her, he will change into him, they will change into them, and we will change into us. So here is the first example, I write a letter. This is an active sentence. A letter is written by me. So here is me is the pronoun that we have to change in place of I. You buy a new car. A new car is bought by you, so you will remain the same. She washed the clothes. Clothes were washed by her. So here we use her in place of she. He will build a house. The house will be built by him. And here we use him in place of he. Hope so all of you have understood how to make passive voice. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.